shocked!
Hello, neu fel ni'n dweud yng Nghymru, you see Adam, I've put the ocelots in cages, but I've given them enough room to move around. Fel mae'r Americanwyr yn dweud, we got a situation here. A'r sefyllfa sydd ganddyn ni yw hynodrwydd cyfieithu, the peculiarity of translation. So in English we have the word situation, ac yn Gymraeg, sefyllfa. So in English the word begins with sit, eistedd, and yn y Gymraeg mae'r gair yn dechrau gyda sefyll, sef stand. Now this may seem a simple and trivial difference, but I believe sefyllfa fits the bill much better. If, as the Americans say, we got a situation here, dwi eisiau weld pobl yn neidio ar eu traed I ddelio gyda sefyllfa. Dwi ddim eisiau weld pobl yn eistedd ar cadair yn cael egwyl, and that's why I'm petitioning that we change the word to standuation. A beth am exams arholiadau? Now in English we sit an exam, ond yn Gymraeg dyn ni'n sefyll arholiad. Now you might think that it's easier to concentrate, canolbwyntio, when you're sitting down. But there we go, dyn ni'n sefyll arholiad. So dwi'n myfyrwyr ddim yn berffaith, ond mae ganddyn nhw coesau bwerus iawn. Ond ydy pob gair Cymraeg yn gwneud synwyr? It seems to me that not all Welsh words make sense. Now in English, 7 days in a row is called a week. Ond mae'r cyfnod yma o 7 diwrnod yn Gymraeg yw wythnos, wyth nos. So literally, 7 days in a row is 8 nights. I don't know why wythnos is used, and to tell the truth, I don't even understand why they say a week. It doesn't seem to make sense. It needs to be sorted out, or as the Americans will soon be saying, we got a standuation here.
We're shocked!